Hey there, it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to do a quick flip through of this album I just completed. This was a custom ordered album and the theme is for the first year baby girl album. And the sweet lady who ordered it wanted a boho rainbow theme with gold. So I'm using Echo Park's Dream Big Little Girl and also another boho rainbow theme collection from Etsy. So I'll be sure to link both of those down in the description box. And on the front cover here, I used 3 of the papers from the collection and I did mat it with some gold glitter cardstock. You probably can't tell here, but this is a little bit dimensional. It has a couple layers here, but I used an element from the paper collection, the flowers here, and I added the baby girl's name, Gabriella Lynn, super cute. I also sprayed this with glitter. I sprayed it with this glitter dust, the iridescent, and I purchased this off of Amazon. It just gives it, it's probably not gonna pick up on camera, but in real life, it just gives it a little bit of a glitter. Not sure if the camera will pick that up at all, but just gives it just a little bit of glitter to this paper, this element, this journaling card here, and then this as well. I added a bow from the same glitter paper with a large pearl. I love this paper collection, so cute. On the spine here, I used some rosette trim or ribbon trim that I had in my stash. I wish I had more of this. I absolutely love this. And here is the back of the book. Again, it's just matted with the same gold glitter cardstock. So this album measures 8.5 wide by 8.25 tall. The inside pages are 8 by 8. And this is, again, a baby's first year album. So it goes through the first year of the baby's life. So on the front cover, I have a Welcome to the World, Gabriella Lynn. I have this rainbow here that says you are complete and total magic. This is popped up slightly. I have some matte gold paper with some flower trim that I got from Wild Orchid Crafts. And to the pockets, I have a 4x6 photo mat with this gold cardstock, glitter cardstock. I have a 4x6 journaling card that the mom can add writing to or a photo on the back. Then we have this cute little welcome to the world or my birth story journaling card that the mom or dad can, write the birth story, maybe information about how much the baby weighed, things like that. So there's writing or a photo if they would prefer just to do that. Here's a 3x4 journaling card, so cute. I added the one of the pattern papers to the back and then this cute little woodlands bear. On the front here, I designed this bracket edge. And when I say anything through the album that I design everything in Silhouette Studio. That's my preferred method. They have a free version that you can design on as well. I use the business edition, but I designed this bracket edge and it's magnetized down. I have some rose gold glitter cardstock and then the gold glitter cardstock, another bow. You'll see a lot of bows throughout. I thought it was so cute in this little girl's album with a pearl. I have 2 of the matching cardstocks. And then again, it opens up, it's magnetized to open up for month 1. So we have a 4x6 spot here where it's been left open so the mom can just slide the photo behind here for month 1. Again, design this in the Silhouette Studio and there's a couple layers here so it is a little bit dimensional just for stability so it doesn't bend. There's another heart here left open. Another journaling 3x4 photo can be put or mom or dad can write on the back here. This little flower cluster is from the collection and then again this is another 4x6 spot. Then here is for month 2. This is a 4x6. Again, I used the glitter cardstock, a white mat, and then a color cardstock from the collection, left open to slide the photo. Has the baby's name, again, matted with some gold cardstock, some blue from the collection. And then there's 3 little clay hearts here, along with some 3 glitter hearts from the same glitter paper. This is magnetized. It opens up for a 2x2, or actually a 3x3 photo, I believe will fit here. Let me grab my ruler. So yeah, a 3x3 photo will fit here. I used some stickers that says 2 months here. On the side here, we have a pocket. I used a Martha Stewart's punch to get this beautiful doily lace edge. I added some of that matte gold cardstock that I got from Simon Says Stamp, some flat pearl trim from Wild Orchid Crafts, another bow, and this little heart that I had in my stash. I also designed, let me put this back here. The mom just wants to be careful putting the photos back here, but this, I did glue 3 different layers together to make sure it is, you know, has some stability to it. But as long as she's careful putting the cardstock or the photos behind it. But I designed this 3 again in the Silhouette Studio, and it's glued to the back here. Love this paper. So we have another 4x6 journaling or photo mat, a journal card from the collection, perfect spot to add photos to. Every single one is a pull-out page, so every single pocket has a, again, designed bracket edge. I used this blush paper from the collection, added height, weight, milestones, and designed this also. It says 3 months, it has little stars. This outside star circle I purchased from the Silhouette store. So every single one is going to be the same. So each pocket has one for each month. So we have 3 or 4. And this gives mom or dad the opportunity to just jot down a little information or a lot of information, whatever milestones that the baby's had, little photos, whatever they prefer to do. And each one just slides in. So I won't take every one of them out, but each one has month 3, 4, the next one has month 5, 6, etc. So on this side, I have the pattern paper with another Martha Stewart edge punch from white. I have this large journaling card from the collection. I added a bow, a clay bow to the front. It says "You are loved." And this flips open. Another 3x3 photo can be added here. And then that's magnetized down. And then this is magnetized as well. It flips open for 4 months. There's 2x2 photo spots here. This I wouldn't put any photos on, but they can put photos on this as well. And then this flips open to allow a space for another 4x4 photo. And I designed the word miracle here with a star for the dot of the eye. Here's another 4x6 photo spot. The flowers are left open to slide the photo. I used a, I believe it's an EK Success punch for the scallop here on the edge. And then I just cut out some circles from that same glitter cardstock for the centers. I wanted to keep it low profile since it's folded over, magnetized. On this side here, for 5 months, I have a diagonal pocket and I added the baby's name to the edge here. It says Gabriella Lynn all the way across. This is some Concord and 9th cardstock that I tripled up on these flowers so they're nice and thick, and the white here. And then I added some pearl centers that I have gotten from Wild Orchid Crafts in the past. And the journaling card, Follow Your Dreams, is a perfect spot for their photo. Photos can be added in here as well. And I have a thicker for the number 5 for 5 months. And this here I used You'll see another page too. I used Spellbinder's Be Bold blooms. I also used Sealed Bouquet, I believe. Maybe I didn't. But I definitely used mini blooms and sprigs, and then the Be Bold blooms, which you'll see on another page. So on this, I have just a vertical pocket, if you will, and the matting here, I used this Spellbinder's 3D embossing. Added some satin ribbon and a bow with a little cabochon flower. Sorry, I couldn't think of the name of it. I love this paper. There's 2 journaling cards, perfect for 4x6 photos, matted on the gold cardstock, and it shows 6 months, you were so loved, Gabriella. So those just slide in here, and the mom can also slide in another photo or 2 into here. On this side, I have a waterfall. I designed the number 7, added some clay hearts. That's glued down to behind this. I also added a little label that says months, so 7 months. We have 3 white enamel dots. I used some Hug Snug to wrap it, so once they add their photos, they can retie a little bow. And here's a little 4x4 journaling card that I backed with that gold glitter cardstock. And then this opens so mom or dad can add photos to this as well. So this album will hold quite a few photos. Such a cute collection. And I did add a piece of matching cardstock in between, just so it didn't have a large white border. Okay, for month 8, we have a side pocket here that I used some of that matte gold cardstock. Again, another scallop edge punch and some more flower trim from Wild Orchid Crafts. Another bow with a pearl to the center. And then we have a few spots for photos. This one obviously has the number 8 for 8 months with some of those clay hearts. Another little journaling card that a 4x4 photo. Yeah, 4x4 photo can be put on. This album was so fun to make. So on this side, this is probably my favorite page through the whole thing. I love how this turned out. I added a piece of the pattern paper, then I added a 4x6 photo mat with some gold matting, a number 9 thicker, and then I used these dies that I showed you from Spellbinders and some matching cardstock from the collection, and I also used some Concord and 9th cardstock, a few little journaling tabs, a few little sentiments here with pearls, and then I also used some of these clear dewdrops, some of the sprigs as well, and it is all left open so the mom can just slide the 9-month photo behind here. For the matting, I used a Cuttlebug embossing folder that I've had in my stash for a very long time. Then for 10 months, we have a large tag that I used that matte gold cardstock. I layered it with a few layers. So I have another layer of white. I have the pattern paper, the matte gold cardstock, the glitter gold cardstock, and then a journaling card. I also added a heart scalloped bow with a pearl to the center. It says 10 months. I added the little sun and the little rainbow. Again, some more photo mats, another bow, and then I put the baby's name here on this little woodland character. And this is backed with some 120-pound thick cardstock, so it's super thick. On this side for month 11, we have this bracket designed edge again. I added a gold glitter cardstock with a heart from Wild Orchid Crafts. This is magnetized, opens up to two 3x3 photo spots. This butterfly is from the collection and it's left open so the mom or dad can slide a photo there. I have the number 11 here in thickers. And then I used another punch, EK Success, left open for this 4x6 photo spot. This is from the collection, and then there's another one of those cute little woodland characters and another journal card. These are perfect for little photos or journaling. As much or as little as the parents want to do. Again, this is magnetized to close. And then on the last page, we have the happy birthday page. I used a Miss Kate's Cuttables. There are like 4 layers of this just for stability, this balloon bouquet. I added in my silhouette design some stitched edging, some more of that matte gold cardstock, blue cardstock from the collection, a glitter bow, along with another one of those heart gems from Wild Orchid Crafts. Inside the pockets is a photo spot, and then this is backed with some, as you can see, of this gold glitter cardstock, and I had designed this. It says my first birthday, happy birthday, and there's some word prompts. So people I love, I can say, I have blank teeth, my favorite toys, my favorite books, I love to. So the parents can journal just what the baby's doing, add some photos to this pocket as well. And this here is, again, you probably can't see it, but it is popped up. I also, to match the album, made a little matching gift card. And it says, welcome Gabriella Lynn. And it matches. So I will link down the products that I used. I'll link as much as I can, but if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I hope you enjoyed the flip through and consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button, and leave me a comment. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.